Hey friends, let's do Wild Side Guitar Lesson by Motley Crue. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along. And this time we're tuned to D, so just tune each string down a tone. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're starting with the open A string with our whammy bar. So we're starting with it in, play it and let it come out. I don't have a whammy bar on this, so in, let it come out. Then we just play the open A string, 5th fret on the D and the G. Play the 5th fret on the D and the G again and slide back to the 4th fret. 2 palm mutes on the open A, back to 5 D and G, 2 palm mutes on the open A, 5 D and G, 2 palm mutes on the open A, 5 D and G, slide up to 7 D and G. So repeat that first part again. Now do 2 palm mutes on the open A. Then we're coming up to a D sus4, so we're going to play 7D, 7G, 8 on the B. Do that 2 times, and just 7, 7 and 7. And then play 7B, 7G. Go to 8 on the B and pull off to 7 and 7G. So, and just do that riff through 4 times, and we're calling that riff 1. And then to finish it off, before we go into the verse, we're just doing palm muting on the open A string and counting 1 eander, 2 eander, 3 eander, 4 eander, and do that for 2 bars there. Then we have a second guitar coming in, and that's playing the 3rd time we play through the riff 1, and that's just playing the A chord there. And we have a 3rd guitar playing there as well, and it's just playing the open A string again, doing the same as before, 1 eander, 2 eander, 3 eander, 4 eander. Then it's doing the D sus4 and holding the D there, and that starts the 3rd time and plays the 3rd and the 4th time there. And that's our intro. Then we have our verse. Let me play that for you. So this is pretty easy. We're just playing 7 on the D, 9 on the G, and then play 7 D and G. Do that again. Then come back to 5 D, 7 G, and 5 and 5. Then back to 7 and 9, 7 and 7, and then repeat that again. 7 and 9, 7 and 7, 7 and 9, 7 and 7, 5 and 7, 5 and 5. And to finish off, come back to 7 and 9. Then we're going to do on the B string 8 pull off to 7 and 7G, and do that 2 times. So, and that's our verse there, that last little part. And that's our verse. Then we have guitar 2 there, and that's just playing the A for 2 bars, so just the open A string, 1 eander, 2 eander, 3 eander, 4 eander, 1 eander, 2 eander, 3 eander, 4 eander. Then go to G, so just the 3rd fret on the E string, play that for a bar, 1 eander, 2 eander, 3 eander, 4 eander, and back to the A, 1 eander, 2 eander, 3 eander, 4 eander. And just do that 2 times, and that's the 2nd guitar. Then from there we have our chorus, and that's just riff 1. We play it through 2 times, and the whole time we have the 2nd guitar just playing the open A there. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say your day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and this helps the channel out. So let's get back into it. Then from there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same. Then we have riff 1 for the chorus. We just play it through once, and we have the next part, and we play that for you. So we're just playing riff 1 the same, we just do it through one time. Then the second time through we do the start the same. Third time, same start, 2 open A's, and we're doing our D sus4 to D. We do it 2 times this time. And again, so no fill, and then just play a C power chord. Then we're going to play 5 on D and G, 7 on D and G. Then we just play the open A 3 times. And then go 7 D and G, 5 D and G, open A the same. 5 D and G, back to 2 G and G, open A, and then do that again, 5, 2. Now do that 3 times, and the 4th time we just play the 5 up to the 7, 5 D and G, hold, play the open A, 7 D and G back to 5, open A, and then 5 back to 2. And that little part we're calling riff 2 there. Then we have our intro, and that's exactly the same, using guitar 1, 2 and 3, back to our verse, which is the same, back to the chorus riff, so riff 1, we do that 2 times, and then we have the end on it here. Let me play that for you. So we're just doing our open A string for a bar and a half there, so 1 again to 2 again to 3 again to 4 again to 1 again to 2 again up, back to our D sus4 2 times, to our D, and then put our little fill in, like we did in riff 1, and we just do that through 2 times. Then we have this next riff, let me play that for you. So we're just doing that start riff of riff 1 3 times. Just do that 3 times. Fourth time do the start the same. Then do our D sus4 to our D 2 times. Back to our C, and then to finish off we're just doing our riff 2 to the end, so our and just repeat that to the end, and that's all the guitar parts there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed Wild Side Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.